Some people don't. Some people try to be strategic as possible with socket changes. Gotta finagle it out of here. All right. Now he's in the bottom. Like so, this part here can be a pain. So what you have to do is hold pressure on this and make sure that everything's flush and flat. 7 minutes, 33 seconds. Stuff really, not all of them are this easy. But I keep going with that rate. I hang the door connector. 17, one left. Shuffle your feet around.
How much time?
25, 16.